Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making a pound cake for Valentine's Day. I'm going to be making my pound cake in a heart-shaped bundt pan, and I'm also going to be adding food coloring to it, and we're also going to be making a homemade vanilla glaze to go on top. So to start off with, we're going to follow our instructions on the box. You're going to need 2/3 cup of whole milk or water, 2 eggs, and a half a stick of butter, softened, and also red food coloring. Okay guys, first you want to get a large bowl and a hand mixer if you have it. If you don't, it's okay. You can mix your pound cake by hand. So all I'm going to do is empty my pound cake mix into the bowl. Then I'm going to add my softened butter. My eggs. And also my milk. Next, all you want to do, if you have a hand mixer, you're going to mix it on low speed for 30 seconds and then on medium speed for 2 minutes. Okay guys, after your batter is well combined, all I'm going to do is add in a couple drops of red food coloring. Now you can add as many as you like to get the desired color that you want. And all I'm going to do now is mix it in. Okay guys, once you're done mixing, all you want to do is get your bundt pan, and I'm going to use a butter flavored non-stick cooking spray, and I'm going to grease my pan. Okay, once your bundt pan is greased, all we're going to do is pour our batter in. Okay guys, you want to set your oven at 350 degrees. I didn't put all my batter into my bundt pan because I didn't want it to overflow. So I'm going to also make with the remaining batter a little loaf. Okay, so now I'm going to bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes. See you then. Okay guys, our pound cake is now done. All we're going to do is let it cool off for 10 minutes before we take it out the pan. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. All I did was take my pound cake out of the pan and put it onto a cooling rack. Now we're going to let it cool off completely. I will give it about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, while we're waiting for our pound cake to cool off, we're going to make a glaze. The ingredients that you need for your glaze is 1.5 cups of confectioner sugar, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and you want to melt that, 4 tablespoons of warm whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of butter extract. All we're going to do is add all our ingredients into our bowl, and we're going to whisk it together. Make sure your milk is just warm, not hot. Once you have all your ingredients in your bowl, all you want to do is go ahead and whisk it together till it's nice and creamy. Okay guys, as you can see, it's nice and creamy and it's thickened up. So now all I'm going to do is pour it into a measuring cup, and I'm going to go ahead and get our pound cake now. Okay guys, I have our pound cake, and all I'm going to do is take the glaze and begin to pour over top. That looks so pretty. Okay guys, all I'm going to do is cut into it so you guys can see how it looks. That's beautiful. Okay guys, so here you have it. A heart-shaped pound cake with vanilla glaze. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please come back. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.